Buying your first home is exciting, but one wrong move can cost you thousands. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 most common mortgage mistakes first-time buyers make and how to avoid them like a pro. And make sure you stick around to the end. I'll give you a bonus tip that could save you money, time, and your sanity. I'm Pauline Lee, a licensed real estate agent and mortgage broker. I help first-time buyers like you get into the right home with the right loan, without the stress. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, skipping the mortgage pre-approval. Looking at homes is the fun part. I get it. But if you haven't been pre-approved yet, you're shopping blind. You might fall in love with a home only to find out it's not in your budget, or worse, lose it to someone more prepared. A pre-approval gives you clarity on your price range, monthly payments, and buying power, and makes sellers take your offer seriously. Here's a pro tip. Get pre-approved before you even click schedule a tour. Mistake number 2, only talking to your bank. Too many buyers think their bank is the best place to start. But here's the truth. Your bank only offers their own loans and rate sheet. That's it. Even a 0.5% difference in interest rate can cost you tens of thousands over the life of your loan. As a mortgage broker, I shop multiple lenders for you to find better rates, better terms, and more flexible options. And yes, just one application. I do the shopping, you get the savings. If this is helpful, tap the like button. It helps more first-time buyers like you see this video. Mistake number 3, underestimating your full monthly payment. Your mortgage payment isn't just principal and interest. You'll also need to factor in property taxes, homeowners insurance, private mortgage insurance, and HOA fees if applicable. I've had buyers say, I can handle $2,000 a month, then realize the actual payment is closer to $2,400. Don't make that mistake. Want help figuring out what you can really afford? I'll help you calculate your true monthly payment and how much home that gets you. Book a call today. Mistake number 4, forgetting closing costs. Everyone talks about the down payment, but closing costs sneak up on people. Those include lender fees, appraisal, inspections, title insurance, taxes, and more. They typically range from 2 to 5% of the home price. So on a $400,000 home, that's another $8,000 to $20,000. You'll need to plan for that. When we work together, I'll give you a real breakdown of what to expect. No last-minute surprises. Mistake number 5, draining your savings for the down payment. Yes, a bigger down payment lowers your loan, but not if it leaves you broke. Unexpected things happen when you own a home. The furnace goes out, the roof leaks, taxes increase. Ideally, you'll want 3 to 6 months of expenses saved aside after closing. It's better to put less down and keep a financial cushion. If you're feeling unsure about how much to put down versus what to keep, let's walk through your numbers together. Access the link below for a free strategy call. And here's your bonus tip. Don't wing it. Build a mortgage game plan first. Most buyers wait until they find a home, then scramble to figure out the loan. But when you have it mapped out in advance, everything becomes easier and faster. That's why I offer a free mortgage strategy session. Together, we'll review your credit and finances, explore loan options, estimate payments, and build a clear plan. As a result, you'll be less stressed and more confident. Ready? Click the link below to schedule your free session. Let's quickly recap the 5 mortgage mistakes to avoid. Skipping the pre-approval, only talking to your bank, underestimating your full monthly payment, forgetting closing costs, and draining your savings. Avoid these and you'll be ahead of the curve. If you got value from this, hit like. It helps more people see it. Subscribe for more home buyer tips every single week. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I read and respond to everyone. Ready to create your custom mortgage game plan? Schedule your free call with me. The link is below. I'm Pauline Lee, a real estate agent and mortgage broker, here to help you buy with confidence. I encourage you to get pre-approved.